Think about this. What if you could capture Hollywood quality motion using nothing but your phone cameras, without wearing a motion capture suit or spending thousands on expensive equipment? Sounds impossible? In this video, we're reviewing Move AI to see if it really delivers professional motion capture, who it's best for, and whether it's worth the price. Move AI is an AI-powered motion capture platform that transforms real human movement into high-quality 3D animation. Instead of using traditional mocap suits with sensors, Move AI analyzes video footage from smartphones or cameras and converts it into animation data that works with popular 3D software and game engines. Getting started is simple. Visit the Move AI website, click Sign Up, and create an account using your email or Google account. After logging in, open the dashboard, create a new project, upload your recorded videos, or follow the capture workflow using the Move AI mobile app. Once your footage is uploaded, the AI processes your performance and generates a motion captures file ready for review. The biggest advantage of Move AI is its markerless motion capture. You don't need a mocap suit or body sensors. Just record your movement with supported cameras, and the AI tracks your entire body. It supports single-person and multi-person motion capture, making it useful for action scenes, dance performances, sports analysis, virtual production, and game development. After processing, you can preview the captured animation and export it for software like Blender, Maya, Unity, and Unreal Engine. The animation quality is smooth, with accurate body tracking that significantly reduces manual keyframe animation. A real-world example would be creating character animations for an indie game. Instead of animating every movement by hand, you can perform the action once, let Move AI capture it, and apply the motion directly to your 3D character, saving hours of production time. And the platform offers professional-grade capabilities, but some advanced features and higher processing limits require a paid subscription, making it more suitable for serious creators and studios than casual users. The biggest limitation is that Move AI works best with well-recorded footage. Poor lighting, heavy motion blur, or incorrect camera placement can reduce tracking accuracy. Also, compared to many beginner AI tools, the pricing is aimed more at professionals than hobbyists. So, is Move AI worth it? If you're a game developer, filmmaker, VFX artist, or animation creator looking for high-quality markerless motion capture, Move AI is one of the strongest options available. It delivers impressive accuracy while eliminating the need for expensive motion capture suits.